Hands together for the very gorgeous actress Nupur Saran. With a huge round of applause, let's welcome her. Yes, Nupur, a very warm welcome to you. I'll request you to please join us on stage. So Nupur, before we launch the app, I'm sure everybody is excited. Everyone wants to talk to you as well. So how are you feeling? How are you doing?
I am super happy to come to this launch because I think you want me to stand up.
Yes.
Mike.
Yes, all have been waiting for you. Yes.
Okay, Mike.
Yes.
Still there, but is it on? Yeah. Can you guys hear me?
Yes.
Okay. I am super excited to be here because it's for the launch of a really cool app. I think as youngsters, as the current generation, these are the kind of things, these are the kind of cool concepts that we seek, I feel. And I think बहुत wait हो गया सब लोगों को. Let's begin. Let's launch the app.
Yes, Nupur. We are all set for this.
All set? Yes.
So we are all set, ladies and gentlemen.
Swipe right or swipe left for select, swipe up करते हैं.
Yes.
Okay?
Well, congratulations to the entire team. This is the first social media network to pay all its influencers through advertising shown in the app. And now the influencers can do what they love. They can create posts and they can, they can upload it as well and make a lot of money directly along with the way through their audiences. So here we go back once again to the Q&A and over to you.
If you could be there in the center. Nupur, so good to see you.
Hi, thank you.
Tell us, when you
Hanji.
in your life got chosen.
Got chosen in what way?
For example, a break in the industry or the very first
I
break
think,
in the industry.
I think the whole the meaning of got chosen, why one feels, I think it's such a cool name to keep because it's just so motivating for anyone to hear. Okay, you got chosen, and of course मेरे career में भी अगर बात करें तो I gave a lot of auditions, faced a lot of rejections as well, as everyone does. And then I got chosen for Filhal, opposite Akshay Kumar. So that was my start, and that was the feeling that I got. And I think similar to that, what this app is doing for youngsters, for talented people out there, is that you put your talent out there, and you're earning money through it. You're making that impact in terms of visibility for other people, for your growth, as well as for internal growth in terms of आप अपना घर चला रहे हो यार, मतलब अगर साफ बात की जाए तो so I think the essence of God chosen and ये मोड़ पे आएगा I feel. अभी I got chosen for that for like my launch, then I faced a lot of rejections after that. Then I got chosen for something else. So I think it's that up point that comes in everyone's life, and it comes after you throw out your talent for people to see. You work hard, and then I think you get chosen.
As you said, you face rejection.
Okay, so I will just cut you in the middle. I will request Naveen sir, Rahul sir, and Nupur to please have a seat. We would like to have more conversation.
Yeah, sure.
Yes? Okay, now go
You
ahead.
said, you face rejection. Or up, now Nupur is a brand. You are here endorsing a brand, becoming a brand yourself.
How sweet.
How proud or do you get emotional when you become a part of such initiative or such, the business start growing?
Yes, it is emotional. It is a nice feeling to like come out in the open with my own identity, own up to it, and I think जब वो होता है ना, like ऐसे अभी मैं एग्जांपल दूँ तो अभी के जो मोमेंट पे these moments are the ones that make you feel कि ठीक है यार, जो भी इतना टाइम बीता, जितनी मेहनत हुई, जिसको नहीं पसंद आए हम उसने रिजेक्ट कर दिया, चलता है, you know. So because I think these are the moments when you feel कि ठीक है, we worked for these moments, you know, we worked for people to see that positivity in us, to recognize us for for the talent that we have, and I think that's the moment for you.
What are the three things you look into, you know, whenever you associate yourself with any brand?
Three things I look at a brand.
Whenever you associate yourself with any brand, for example, they ask you to be on board, what was your reaction? What are the three things?
I think the first thing that I look in any brand is whether it resonates with me. You know, the reason behind the brand. What is the message of the brand? Why is this brand formed? Like, what is it doing to the people out there? I think the meaning should resonate with what I am as a personality, because अभी जैसे मैं candid हो रही हूँ, रटाया आना पड़ेगा, और you know आपको दिख जाएगा, मैं तो बहुत expressive इंसान हूँ, so मेरे मुंह पे दिख जाता है अगर मैं if I'm faking it ना, so I think gotta be real. So for that the brand has to have that real essence for me to be able to project that realism in me. So ये सबसे important चीज़ है, and I think like honesty also, you feel that कुछ different, कुछ हटके है क्या, like is it blending with the entire अभी जो बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं with its competitors, or there is something different about it. So I think all these things matter.
So can we have one person, one question, please? I think let other people also talk.
आप बहुत सारे questions लेकर आए हैं, मैं आपसे बात
Yes.
The last one to Naveen, you know, it gives us so good feeling sitting, you know, seeing these youngsters sitting, talking about business. Tell us, Naveen, it was always there in your mind you want Nupur to be on board. It was always there in your mind you want Nupur to be for God chosen, to be here for your brand.
Nupur on board, like on board as in
As in here to be
as a brand ambassador.
Yeah.
See, for that thing we will obviously after this event we will see what's the result, like how the everyone is reacting. Obviously we will do if everyone is reacting good and everything is awesome.
Nupur, you said star when you were launching, you say हमने देखा left देखा swipe right देखा, okay, it's left right and right left देखा, and this is the app like Instagram reel where you just swipe up,
Yeah.
okay, so one is a Kinja, Balwan and those kind of profiles which are there, and one is like a small videos app.
Yeah.
Short. Which
Yeah.
is more credibility according to you, and what's the flavor of both of them?
Which is sorry.
More credibility according to you.
Honestly, मैं इसी की credibility के बारे में बात कर सकती हूँ. जैसे मैंने आपको बोला, जो चीज़ मैंने try करी हुई है, उसी के credibility और उसकी genuineness के बारे में आप बोल सकते हो कुछ भी. बाकी की credibility कितनी है कितनी नहीं है वो try करके पता चलेगा.
Yes, I think the technical answers, the technical questions can be asked to both Naveen and Rahul sir. They will be the good one to answer.
नुपुर
हाँ जी.
काफ़ी प्रिविलेज हैं आप, मतलब यू आर नॉट न्यू टू द इंडस्ट्री ऐसा. प्रीति मैम इतना सक्सेसफुल हुई हैं इंडस्ट्री.
Privilege बहुत भारी word है sir, आप मरवाओगे मुझे.
नहीं तो मुझे ये जानना है कि जब कोई जान पहचान का कोई रिश्ते में इस्टेब्लिश होता है किसी फील्ड में, तो आसान या मुश्किल हो जाता है जब आप एंट्री मारी थी बॉलीवुड में, क्योंकि एक्सपेक्टेशन होते हैं उनके सक्सेस को देख के आपको कंपेयर किया जाएगा कि हाँ आप भी कल को इतनी सक्सेसफुल हो गया.
I think we should ask some relevant questions to
These
the
are very
app.
relevant
Yeah?
question. Let me ask you.
That's okay, I'll answer. I think आसान भी होता है और मुश्किल भी होता है. There are pros and cons to sharing your identity with someone. I feel आसान ये था कि मुझे मतलब जब मैं इस इंडस्ट्री में आ रही थी, काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें मुझे पहले से पता थी कि अच्छा यहाँ पे जाके ऐसे बात करनी है, ऐसे टाइप के ऑडिशंस में ऐसे परफॉर्म करना है, इन टर्म्स ऑफ एक्टिंग ऑल्सो. बट मुश्किल भी यही रहा बिकॉज अभी तक यू नो whatever I've bagged on my own, I've done it on my own. Whether it's my 2 music videos, whether it's the film opposite Nawaz sir, I've auditioned for it. They liked my audition. I performed in it, and it's all through myself. अगर नहीं होता अपने आप तो इतना टाइम नहीं लगता. You know, इतना गैप नहीं आता अगर मैंने खुद नहीं किया होता वो. So I think मुश्किल ये है कि अभी तक I think काफ़ी टाइम लगेगा जब तक ये सवाल मुझसे पूछना ना बंद कर जाए. I think that's when I feel that वो नुकसान नहीं होता.
Nupur,
हाँ जी.
when you talk about short videos app and all, you might have seen other apps like Jolt,
जी.
TikTok,
जी.
you always accept your page, you follow them there, you keep on following them again and again. What is celebrity and
So I think बहुत सारे ऐसे इन्फ्लुएंसर्स हैं. मुझे ना कुछ लोगों के नाम नहीं पता है इतना ढंग से, बट फॉर मी ना ह्यूमर रियली एक्साइट्स मी. मतलब मैं देख रही होती हूँ कि एक्चुअली अभी हाल ही में मैंने एक द थिंग इज दैट मुझे ना नाम नहीं याद रहते उनके इतने कॉम्प्लिकेटेड से यूजर नेम्स होते हैं. मेरा यूजर नेम इज नुपुर सैलम. लाइक यू विल फाइंड मोस्टली द इन्फ्लुएंसर्स ना देयर यूजर नेम्स आर थोड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड, तो जिनका मैं याद कर रही हूँ आई डोंट रिमेंबर द यूजर नेम प्रॉपर्ली. बट आई थिंक द थिंग दैट आई फॉलो द मोस्ट इज कुछ फनी एलिमेंट डाल दिया और ना सीरियस सॉन्ग डाल दिया होता है पीछे, and there's something funny happening on it. So I think that really excites me.
And you are given a chance to be on an app or got chosen, which genre of content you would like to keep on showcasing?
I think something quirky, something that has humor to it, because see, romance and all, yeah, emotional and all. I mean, I'm not a big fan of putting emotional songs and putting filters and crying with it. I don't like that. That's not something that I resonate with. मतलब वो फिल्टर वाली जो क्राइंग होती है ना, वो मुझे समझ नहीं आती. इनफैक्ट एक फिल्टर था जो मुझे एक्चुअली अच्छा लगा था, which is I don't know the name of the filter, but you're laughing, but it shows that you're crying. So I think everyone has used that filter recently. But mostly something comedy, something funny.
यो
हाँ जी.
नुपु जी, हमें पता है आप एक अच्छे सिंगर हो. अगर इस ऐप की मैं बात करूं, अगर आपको कोलैब करना हो कोई ऐसे सिंगर के साथ, तो आप किसके साथ कोलैब करना चाहोगे अगर इन फ्यूचर?
अगर मुझे फ्यूचर में किसी सिंगर के साथ
हाँ.
कोलैब करना है,
जैसे एज अ गुड सिंगर वी डू कोलैब विद अ सिंगर, तो कौन से ऐसे सिंगर होंगे जिसके साथ आप कोलैब करो ये ऐप को लेके?
I think I've been a fan of Arijit Singh. I think he is amazing at what he does, and जो feel और soul उनकी voice में है वो कम ही मिलता है. I feel उनके साथ Shreya Ghoshal I've been a big fan of. In new budding singers, there are two people that I really appreciate their voices, which is one is Steven Ben, and second is Assis Kaur. I think she's got a phenomenal voice.
नवीन जी, मेरा एक और सवाल है आपके लिए. जिस तरह से मैं आपके ऐप को देख रहा था, मैंने AV भी देखा, और मैंने एक हॉटस्टार में हाल ही में एक ऐसी ऐप की वेब सीरीज देखी थी, और उसमें बहुत सारे कंटेंट जा रहे थे, एंड वो कंटेंट ऐसे थे जो बच्चे लोग को काफ़ी प्रॉब्लम हो रही थी वो कंटेंट से, और काफ़ी लोग का डिमांड भी था. उस ऐप की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, काफ़ी लोगों का डिमांड था कि वो ऐप बैन होना चाहिए क्योंकि बच्चे लोग पे काफ़ी इफेक्ट हो रहा है, 18+ हो रहा है. तो इन फ्यूचर अगर आपके ऐप के लिए हो, अगर बैन होना चाहिए, अगर मार्केट में सोशल मीडिया में आजकल तो हैशटैग काफ़ी ज़्यादा फॉलो होते हैं, हैशटैग आ जाते हैं, हैशटैग बॉयकॉट, हैशटैग, तो आप किस तरह से देख रहे हो?
देखो, आज तो लॉन्च है ना, तो बैन की बातें करने का कोई मतलब नहीं. बाकी अपना ऐप बढ़िया है, और जितने भी हमने चीज़ें करी है वो सारे उन लोगों के लिए करी है जो कि ज़मीनी तौर पे मतलब वीडियो बनाते हैं और उनकी अर्निंग हो रही है. हम एक अर्निंग सोर्स दे रहे हैं उनको, तो मुझे ही लगता है हम कुछ गलत कर रहे हैं इन दैट, है ना. और लोगों के पास पैसा आएगा तो ऑब्वियसली लोग तारीफ ही करेंगे, बुराई तो कोई करेगा.
हैशटैग की मैं चर्चा कर रहा था. या
सो आपने जो वो वेब सीरीज देखी है, जहाँ पे भी देखी है, दैट इज लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग, नॉट अ शॉर्ट वीडियो प्लेटफॉर्म.
या
ओके, सो इट्स अ शॉर्ट वीडियो प्लेटफॉर्म वेयर यू
समवेयर मेरे को AV देखा मैंने, कहीं ना कहीं तक मैं मैच हो रहा था, तो इसके लिए मैंने पूछा.
नहीं, आपका सवाल अच्छा था. एंड आल्सो आवर मॉडरेशन टीम इज monetizing content each and every time. So if someone is bad, it's totally get removed.
करेक्ट. नुबू जी खाली एक लास्ट सवाल मैं पूछूंगा। मैं हैशटैग की चर्चा कर रहे थे तो लाइक आपका कुछ ऐसा बॉयकॉट जैसा मुझे लगा तो
मैं आपके क्वेश्चन को बॉयकॉट करने को कह रही थी।
नहीं मैं जो हाल ही में लाइक बॉयकॉट लाल सिंह चड्ढा पे काफी चर्चा हुई और अब लाल सिंह चड्ढा रिलीज भी हो चुकी है बट पीपल आर नॉट गोइंग, दे आर नॉट वाचिंग इट, तो उस पे क्या कहना चाहोगे? क्योंकि आप अभी आपकी मूवी भी आने वाली है, पहली मूवी होगी, काफी एक्साइटमेंट रहेगी, बट अगर आपकी मूवी को जिस तरह लाइक एक कमेंट से हम देखते हैं हैशटैग बन जाते हैं बहुत सारे सोशल मीडिया पे, आपकी मूवी आने वाली है, अगर आपके मूवी के लिए अगर कमेंट बनते हैं तो आप किस तरह से रिएक्ट करोगे? और लाल सिंह चड्ढा
Well, extremely sorry,
अभी
but,
लॉन्च हो रहा है ना,
yes,
तो आप अभी मेरा फिल्म का लॉन्च पे भी आप बैन की बातें कर रहे हो, यहाँ पे भी बैन की, प्लीज ना ये नेगेटिव बातें नहीं करो।
Yeah, I think this app is very happening and we should talk some happening things, some
No,
good things, some positive
Naveen,
things.
the question is here. जब somebody like Nupur Sanen, you know, उनकी जब मैं जर्नी की बात करता हूँ, अपने बलबूते पे यहाँ तक आना अपने आप में बहुत काबिल तारीफ चीज़ है। ये बात अलग है, लोग बात बीच में वो प्रिविलेज लफ्ज़ जोड़ देते हैं जो दुख देता है कहीं। एक शख्स की अपनी मेहनत को कहीं दरकिनार कर देता है। जब नुपुर सलीम जैसी शख्सियत आपके साथ खड़ी होती हैं और इस तरह के इवेंट पे मौजूद रहती हैं और आपके प्रोडक्ट को, आपकी कंपनी को एंडोर्स करती है, ग्रेस करती हैं, डू यू थिंक द हाफ द बैटल इज वोन? क्योंकि ये यंगस्टर की बात है, एक ऐसे यंगस्टर की बात है जिसने अपनी पहचान अपने बलबूते पे बनाई है।
Actually, I didn't get the last.
एक ऐसे यंगस्टर की बात है जिसने अपनी पहचान अपने बलबूते पे बनाई है। उससे पहले ये कहना चाहता था कि क्या आपको लगता है जब एक ऐसा चेहरा जिसे लोग जानते हैं, पहचानते हैं, जिनके मैसिव फैन फॉलोइंग है, उसका फायदा होगा ब्रांड? ये पूछना चाहता हूं।
Obviously, Nupur is a like big person to us. Like when we see her profile and we are checking other profiles also, we love the profile, and obviously we will get good engagement and obviously good success for the event. We are short for this thing also.
एंड अभी आपने हमारे सीईओ का सीवी देखा था, सो उनकी फर्स्ट चॉइस नूपुर थी क्योंकि उन्होंने इनका फिलहाल गाना देखा था 1 बिलियन व्यूज, ठीक है, सो उन्होंने बोला नूपुर ही चाहिए।
Hi, this is Sohail over here. Congratulations. Just needed to know कि your sister is there in the industry. She's quite experienced in fact, you know. जब ये चीज़ आपके पास आई थी, and you bond so well also with your sister. Like we see lots of videos also. तो you know इस तरह के endorsements करने होते हैं तो आपने उनके अंदर इट्स अ वेरी क्लीशेड क्वेश्चन, बट आपने उनके साथ डिस्कस किया होगा कि you know should I go ahead with this or you took your own decision?
नहीं, we are very independent as people and we are sisters, तो बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं हम दोनों में जो बहुत अलग है जैसे बहनों में होती है, but I think when it comes to our thought process, it's very independent and it's very different from one another. So मैं उस नौबत पे जाती ही नहीं हूँ जहाँ मैं पूछूँ और मुझे आगे से कुछ गलत भी सुनने को मिल सकता है, अच्छा भी मिल सकता है, whatever. Like ऐसा तब होगा जब मुझे ही वाइब नहीं आ रही, you know, if I'm confused about something. When this came to me, I wasn't confused. Like जैसे मैंने बोला that I'm very real when it comes to talking and voicing my things out. तो I connected with the app. I felt that it's a cool thing that they're doing. They're being so transparent in terms of whatever money that's you know being generated for the influencer. Whoever is doing the mehnat is getting their due. So I felt that it's a cool thing to join, cool thing to launch and be a part of. तो मेरे अंदर अगर वो doubt आता तो yes मैं जाती कृति से पूछती, but वो doubt ही नहीं आया।
तो normally do you discuss like you know maybe if talking about films, जैसे आपने नूरानी की बात की थी या फिर टाइगर नागेश्वरा की बात की थी, तो उस दौरान do you feel that need is there to you know take her help at that moment? और ये
So yes, I mean I've you know like whenever I've liked something on my own, so Kriti knows this thing about me कि जब तक मेरी अंदर से half the battle won जो कहते हैं वो नहीं हुई होगी, तब तक I wouldn't come to her, you know, like with something that I only don't believe in, I wouldn't come to listen to her no. So she knows कि anyway ये आ रही है तो उसको हाँ सुनना है। तो उस टाइम पे I think like कभी कुछ हल्का confusion होता है something, so there's a second opinion. I really respect her a lot. She has been an inspiration for me and so many more people. Me more also because I've seen मैं सोती उठती उसके साथ तो मुझे पता है कि वो लाइक पर्सनालिटी वाइज कैसी है, हाउ शी इज ग्रोन with her own like her own mindset, she's followed her own heart. So I think she also always tells me that just follow your own heart, you're a smart girl, which I am. Yes.
One more question, like when you entered the industry, like people used to call you Kriti ki बहन है Nupur, you know, but then after फिलहाल the things almost changed. मतलब तो आप क्या मानती हो कि अगर 1 से 10 तक अगर हम कहते हैं तो अभी कौन से स्टेप पर हो आप, you know, कि या फिर एक दिन यू फील है कि मुझे अभी कृति की बहन?
अभी तो मैं 1 पे हूँ, क्योंकि मैं जहाँ अपने आप को देखती हूँ वो 10 काफी ऊपर है, तो अभी तो मैं 1 पे हूँ.
Questions to Rahul and Naveen. Basically, when talking about, we have just seen the app, आज launch हो रहा है, and before seeing the app, I've seen a lot of Indian users already onboarded on it. Okay, where it's a based in American based app. Okay, जब मैंने उसको डाउनलोड किया तो पहले सारे नॉन इंडियंस थे. जब मैंने उसको लॉगिन किया तो ऑटोमेटिकली आई एम श्योर उसने मेरा लोकेशन डिटेक्ट सारा कर लिया होगा, और उसने ऑटोमेटिकली पता, देन आई रियलाइज कि मेरे को सारे इंडियन कंटेंट दिखाने लगे, इंडियन यूजर दिखाने. बट माय ओनली क्वेश्चन इज, हैव यू देन काइंड ऑफ एन एपीआई इंटीग्रेशन, और दिस आर द यूजर एक्चुअली born over here or diverted over here?
Actually, right now there is a one campaign going on where users are creating content, and we will like shortlist those people on the first of from before first of like next month. So those people are creating more and more content on daily basis. So that's why you saw.
So currently the users who are there, वो directly by any API call से आए हुए, by API integration से आए हुए, या वो आपने directly से onboard किया गया, as a fresh onboarded,
fresh onboarded. That's why you saw that.
Okay, they're on. Yeah. That's
So we can take a last question. Sorry to interrupt, but we can take the last question.
Like this app, there's one short video app, correct? So there are other videos, like Facebook has also started monetizing it. Josh also has monetizing formula to it, and also other apps are currently going in the Tiki apps, and all those apps are there. How do you, looking 1 year, standing out of them, and how is your marketing strategy कि उनसे हम unique stand करें, अपने users लाए और onboard करें?
Actually, they are not sharing their like the earning which they are getting from the ads. Okay, we are sharing that earning with the influencers, with the users who are downloading the app. So we are giving us some percentage to users. So if user will earn, especially nano and micro influencers, they will earn. Obviously, it will be big. And you are talking about other apps. I don't think so. They are same on the race.
Facebook has a monetization. If you talk about,
we have unique monetization platform. It's not happened like in India or in a global level with any other short video app.
I completely agree.
What we did, you see, YouTube, there is like ads, right?
Correct.
So that ad is like now in short video. So
Correct.
it's like shorter version of that, the banner ads.
You will have an AI onto that short video app, something to capture that AI or something.
For the ad,
Yeah.
see, before this thing, what we were doing, we were website monetization company. Okay, we used to monetize websites. Okay, and we changed that whole. We integrate whole thing on the short video thing. We just did that. We made it simple.
So you taking the credibility from the Instagram who have 10K users already on the platform,
Yeah,
correct? And then you are moving them to on your platform.
yeah,
Yeah, correct. Those users who are 10K probably can move to your platform.
yeah.
But for example, I have a 10K followers, and I'm straight away moving to this platform. Okay, so straight away I'll get the monetization. I can redeem the monetization.
Actually, you need to request it, then it will be accepted. If you have 10K, it will be accepted.
You accepted my onboarding.
Yeah.
I am already onboarded.
Yeah.
And how the redemption process start, for example? Then I have to again gain my more number of followers, likes, hits, and all.
Well,
I've already joined them in the morning. I'm researching on it. I'm getting my
yes, sir. I think we can take. Yes, we can have a one-to-one conversation.
Acha. So,
Yes. Well, thank you so much. I know if you have more questions, we can have one-on-one conversation with sir. And for now, ladies and gentlemen, we have some influencers present here. May I please invite them on the stage? We would like to hand over the coins to them. We have Kunal, we have Shai, Lavina, Akhil Chaman, and Seenu with us. Please, I'll request them to join us on the stage, and we would like to hand over the coins to them. I will request all the media, press media people to please have refreshments. We have arrangement of refreshments for all of you. And thank you so much once again for joining. Thank you so much for giving your precious time to us. Enjoy the app. We will be having media bites afterwards.